Let's compare types of online reputation management campaigns for clients. Now, there's a reason why I want you to know this. You're not going to have to hire anybody because this course contains everything you need to fix your online presentation and your reputation. However, I want you to understand that there's suppression and removal campaigns, and we've always done suppression. Suppression campaigns are when we just create content in a prolific way, rinse and repeat to suppress content. That's the goal of this course. Everything you learn, you will rinse and repeat and fill in the gaps until you have a positive online presence. Removals only are based on removing content. Now, we've talked about this before, but I want to highlight the positives and the negatives. Suppression is great because progress is made on a linear basis. It's usually monthly, but it can be bi-weekly or weekly. Clients love this because they feel like every day things are getting better. I can get more comfortable. Now, their reputation improves gradually, and it also avoids conflict with the publications who might strike back or publish your correspondence or make things worse when you remind them about it. But it does require a lot of content creation. It can be very expensive. It can take a lot of time and be very demoralizing when your content doesn't rank and you spend so long trying to publish it for both the agency and the client or the individual doing it themselves. Now, removals are an all or nothing, but extremely successful if they are actually carried through. If you contact a publisher, they remove it, of course, the link's going to be removed. Generally, you will add it to the Google Search Console. We'll show you how to do that. But truly, it is absolutely brilliant if they accept. If not, you could have spent all that time communicating only to make things worse or to have nothing happen. Of course, personal biases get in the way. If it's a crime, a negative link, sometimes this might exacerbate the issue. The person might be upset. They might not respond to you. It may completely resolve the issue if only one link was there and you actually got it removed. You can save thousands of dollars on suppression if you were going to hire a firm. You can also save hours of your own time, dozens of hours of creating content on websites. Fantastic. So in the end, you save time, energy, and money, but it's not guaranteed. So if you're just to remove all day, likely you're either going to be completely successful or nothing's going to happen. That's why I recommend suppression. Suppression is so important because if negative content is ranking for your name anyway, it's a good sign that it wasn't well insulated. If you didn't create enough content in search engines already, when somebody does any article about you, it's going to rank. So I always recommend for everybody, no matter what, positive or negative, to have this foundation. We always start suppression, then we do removals. If you're feeling like you want to toss the die, you're a bit of a risk taker, you don't mind going to find all these journalists, that's more of your personality, then you might want to do removal or try that first before initiating suppression. So you can pivot, but I want you to understand the differences and the benefits, how we approach client campaigns. This is exactly how we do it.